So we're back to the great wheel mating up with a pinion, and on attached to the pinion, pressed on, is this this next wheel, and this wheel is turning this arbor, which is control the governor. So when this goes into strike, this is controlling the speed. Now this should really free fly, as I would call it, but it's so gummed up, it's not doing a lot. But all this dirt and the grease and grime, the bearing has to come out of the fly, and here's a tension. Here's a tension part here that you can tension the fly up a little bit if you need to. These blades can be changed, but look, the blades are coming undone. There shouldn't be any movement like that. Oh my God, this one is terrible. So these all have to be repaired. And so we're coming off that the second gear. It's driven by the shaft turning here, and I think that's about does it for that right now. So